Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb. Yeah, 2011 government pass question. Question number 19. The question number 19 says franchise in an electoral process means the dash. Franchise in an electoral process means the dash. And when we talk of franchise means the right to be voted for and to vote, right to vote and to be voted for. That is franchise. And option A say the sovereignty of a nation. B say rights and duties of citizens. C say right to vote. D say ownership of means of production. So by the meaning of franchise that we have here, you will note that option C is correct. So option C is correct, which is right to vote. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.